Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technology Sahayak. And today in this video I will show you how to remove realme touch pointer or indicator. Wherever we touch the phone, it shows a white pointer. So if you want to remove touch pointer from your realme phone, then how to do you? Go to phone settings, scroll down and go to developer options. According to the settings of my phone, to go to the developer options, I have to enter the system. Now click on developer options. Scroll down. If the show tap options turns off in the input section, the touch point will be removed. If I turn it on again, touch pointer will show. Again, if the developer option is turned off, then the touch pointer will be removed. Guys, hope you understand how to remove touch pointer from realme phone. If you think video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.